the synchronized movements of a school of razorfish demonstrate that not only humans can create top-notch artistic swimming performances. After 5 years, the solar storm reappeared once again in the southwest of the Sun, and with even greater intensity. Fortunately, it wasn't directed towards Earth. Upon witnessing the strange phenomenon, the girls quickly grabbed their phones to record. Surely, this footage would be valuable for the road builders to analyze and determine the cause.
我操！ 龙卷风。
Caught off guard by atmospheric refraction, many migratory birds were confused about which direction to go.